Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty by Niecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the NiecyFam. I'll love to see you every week when I post a video, and I know that you will love to see me too. So in order for that to happen, I need you to hit the subscribe button, and whilst you're doing that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. If this is not your very first time, thank you so much for always supporting. In today's video, I'm going to create a purple smoky eye look. Like you can see, listen, dark skinned girls can wear color too. So if you guys want to see how I was able to create this look, I need you to stay tuned. Starting off, I prime with the Touch in Soul primer. This primer came in my one of my boxy charms, so I'm gonna prime my face with that. So my eyelids are already primed, ready for the eyeshadow, and the palette that we're going to use today is the Juvia'a Place Zulu palette. This palette is super colorful. It has a total of 3 shimmers and 6 mattes, so we have 9 shades in here. Very colorful, as I already stated. It's perfect for spring and summer, so if you can, get your hands on the Zulu palette. So today we're gonna do a purple eye look, so I'm gonna go into this purple. I'm gonna concentrate that purple on my lid, and if I'm feeling creative, I may add some shades, but the primary shade is the purple shade. And also, there are no names on this palette, and there is also no mirror, so that this is all you get. Then I'm gonna go into this fuchsia pink shade. I'm using that shade to blend out the edges of the purple. And I'm using this eyeliner from Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Splash. Probably can't see it, so I'm just gonna do a cute swatch here. It's gonna go in the waterline, and then I'm gonna put the purple in on the lower lid. And then we're just gonna rush through the rest of the face, and then I'll come back with the finished look. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is the finished look. This is my purple, deep purple smoky eye. Who says black girl cannot wear color? Let me know down below if you guys love this look. I really love this Juvia's Place palette. I don't think I've shown you guys before, and I am glad I was able to create this simple look with this palette. Thank you guys so much. Make sure that you follow me on social media. The names will be on the screen as usual. Check the description box for information on anything that I used on my face in this video today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.